Here I have TOSCIDO X109, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, if you say so. So here you can switch a hotspot. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. In advanced, you can also change. You can also set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. And that's it. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.